Folks, definitely a more active day today than yesterday, but still not widespread rain, just spotty stuff around the region. This is radar right now. It's pretty quiet across most of the valley. We've still got these leftover showers that have just crossed the river, making their way into Mexico to the south of Alamo, down just across the river south of the Wildlife Refuge. And you can see in Reynosa a little shower right now. That's probably about it. Can't rule out another isolated shower, but for the most part, we should be about done for tonight. And then tomorrow we do it all over again. Stuff fires up again in the coastal counties early in the afternoon and spreads inland. Probably not as much coverage as what this is showing, but there will be scattered activity around again tomorrow where most folks don't get rained on, but a few will. Same kind of thing Saturday. Most folks don't get rained on, but a few will. And if you do get rained on, it's briefly heavy and then it's out of there. We do it again on Sunday. Scattered showers and a thunder shower in a few spots on Sunday as well. So we're going 30, 20, 20 for your probability. So at least there's stuff out there. There will be stuff. It's just a matter of how many people actually get to see the rain like today. It was a small group, but if you got it, you got it. And it cooled temperatures off. McAllen now started to rebound after being down to 90s, back up to 91. Weslaco 92. We had a shower nearby, but not here. 89 at the coast. Right now 90 in Raymondville. Still 105 in Rio Grande City. Hasn't rained there, can you tell? Tonight we expect temperatures to bottom out around 80 or so with the wind out of the southeast, about 8 to 16. Skies are partly cloudy. And then tomorrow winds pick up a little. Temperatures climb back up into the upper 90s and low 100s. But of course, if you get rained on, you will cool down probably into the 80s, but at least down to 90 for a little while. And then it will come back up after the rain. 97, 97, 98 the next 3 days. The normal for this time of year is 95. So even with the showers, we'll be a little bit above average, but probably not quite as hot as what it was even earlier in the week. When you look at the bigger picture, most of Texas is quiet. You see stuff firing up on the Seabreeze from here all the way up to Houston, then east of there. There's a lot of activity, and we're really kind of on the edge of two highs. One here, one that I didn't put on the map, but it's just kind of off the east coast out here in the upper atmosphere. And the moisture gets funneled between the two. So we're seeing a lot of moisture from Houston all the way over to the Florida Panhandle. Showers, thunderstorms in that area. We're kind of on the edge of that stuff, and we're likely to stay on the edge of that stuff as this high gradually moves its way toward the east. Then we get kind of an easterly flow aloft, and we get that. We just continue to see tropical moisture come in. Not enough for widespread heavy rain like they're probably going to see areas to our northeast, but at least scattered showers around the region. Because there's a lot of moisture in the Gulf, but most of it staying in the Gulf or maybe the northern Gulf Coast. We're kind of, again, getting the fringe of it. In the meantime, we're watching this system in the Caribbean moving off to the northwest. 10% chance of developing 5 days out when it gets to the eastern Gulf, but right now we are talking eastern Gulf, not western. And then this system, potential tropical cyclone number 6, 30 miles per hour. That's probably going to stay in the Atlantic at least for a while. So tonight, clear to partly cloudy, 78 for low, southeast winds at about 5 to 12 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, back up to 97, spotty storms, but like today, isolated, not widespread. A couple of 97s, we'll go up to 98 for Sunday and for Labor Day, and then back to 97, 96, middle part of next week. But every day, at least the shot at a shower or thunder shower. Stuff was pretty isolated around the region today. Shouldn't play any role in Friday night football. Let's go to Brownsville, where our Joel Villanueva is ready to kick off the season. Joel.